want to know one of the hardest things for people to figure out when they first become a notary? Where to get your first freaking client. You see, you can do all of this, set this beautiful business up, have a website, Google business page, business cards, DBA, LLC, everything. But you can't get your first client. Don't worry about it. I got you. See, I'm going to show you in this video where you can get your first client within the first 48 hours after you get commissioned. Easy work. All right, I'm going to tell you 4 ways to do this. Now, the first way that I love, that always works, within your first, I know, okay, if it ain't 48 hours, baby, it's your first week, go to a daycare center. Child care centers always need a notary, always. They have a lot of attrition, people coming in and out. They hire, they fire. They always need a notary. And they have parents who always need a notary. So anywhere you see a lot of kids, a notary is involved, and there are documents, certain documents that require notarization in that business. So stop by some child care centers. Just make up your mind, honey. Get over yourself. Get your big girl panties on. Get a little brave. Go in there and let them know, hey, my name is LaTanya Johnson. I'm a notary. Do you ever require a notary in your business? Cool beans. Let me give you my flyer. You see, I don't give people business cards because, baby, I work too hard for you to be able to just chunk my little business card in the trash. I need for you to have to go through some work and crumble it up and throw it in the trash, okay? So create a flyer and create a couple of flyers. And on that flyer, have your QR code so that when they tell somebody about you, they can just get their good phone. All of us have them. Scan that QR code and they have all your contact information immediately. You can also, if they say, yeah, on this such and such day, we are having blah, 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 blah. You can say, is there a day that would be better for me to just come in here, sit down and notarize everybody at the same time? That's how you really get your money. Okay. When you can sit in one spot and notarize several people, now you got it. Aha. You charge each person $20. Might be once a month that you just start hitting daycare centers. You get your cycle going. Listen, in this business, you don't have to get out of your comfort zone. You are not in corporate America. This is a business. That means that you got to go after your own business. Okay. The other way that I say get business within the first 48 hours, listen to this. Put it on Facebook. You need to let everybody that you know that you are now a notary. Put it on Facebook. Plain and simple. Plain and simple. First 48 hours. You have a business. You need to have a Google business page. That's important because that can work while you're asleep. One thing that I tell my clients on Success Circle Mastermind, my coaching platform, is name your business Notary Near Me and then the city or neighborhood or state that you're in. That's a game changer. Name your business Notary Near Me. Why? Because people, when they type something in, they're typing in Notary Near Me. So if your business is named Notary Near Me, you're at the top of the search engines. Yeah. Thank me later, honey. All right. So that's one thing. So if you have a Google business page and a Facebook page and an Instagram page, you letting everybody know. You got to get the word out. The third way that you can get clients tomorrow, I told you about daycare centers, hospitals, and senior living facilities. Baby, tomorrow, every day they're looking for somebody. And the one that I've built a relationship with, the lady leaves at 3:00. What happens after 3:00? They have nobody until the next day. And she does another job, so she's always busy. They can get me in there and I can go from room to room and do that job for them. Simple, easy, very easy. But it's going to take some initiative on your part. You got to go to them. Maybe the first one says no. You're going to get some no's. This is business. But no just means that you are this much closer to a yes, honey. And once you build that relationship, they will never go with another person. So you have daycare, child care centers, you have Facebook, Instagram, people you have senior living facilities, hospitals. And I know that there's another one that I'm missing. schools. If it's around time for children to go back to school, sometimes the secretary at school is a notary, but not all the time. And they hire another notary. You do the same thing. You go up to the school, give them your flyer, not a business card, flyer with your QR code, especially around the beginning of the school year. Do that, you'll have your first client within the first 48 hours of you having your commission. Congratulations, by the way. It's time to get busy. Now, you need to learn everything that you need to learn about this business. You need to learn how to notarize regular documents, which is we call general notary. You need to learn how to notarize loan documents, which is for loan signing agents. Guess what? I could teach you all of that. The link is below for my community. It's called the Success Circle Mastermind, where I can teach you how to make anywhere from $1,000 to $10,000 per month. Depends on what you want, how hard you're willing to work, but I got you. I'm on there actually 3 days a week answering questions. So instead of you being on a video like this, you actually get to talk to me and ask me what question you want, whatever comes to your mind. I'm looking forward to you. The link is in the chat. There is a 7-day free trial, so there's no reason why you don't just go and click that link. Just check it out. What is it gonna hurt? And if you like my style, if you can relate to me, then I'm your girl. All right? All right, I'll see you in the Success Circle Mastermind as well as in the next video. God bless.